Hey guys, we're back with percentile, but a little bit different this time. This time we're finding the score. In other words, being given the percentile, we have to figure out which score it is from that list of data points. Traditionally, we've been saying to you, hey, someone got a 137. What percentile are they? Well, this time we want to know if someone is in the 31st percentile in this case, then which of those values are they? And so it's a slightly different approach in order to be able to figure out which value it is. And the approach works as follows. First of all, as always, your data must be ranked, and these ones have been ranked properly from lowest to highest. They must always be in ascending order. The next thing to consider is what the percentile is that we're dealing with. This is the 31st percentile. And the way it's always going to work is the following. We're going to take that percentile, we're going to divide it by 100. We're going to times that by the total number of data. Which is going to give us a number. And we're going to use that number to count in and find the position. Okay, it's key to remember that that number you calculate will be the position of the number in the data, not the answer itself, and I'll clarify that when I do the calculation for you right now. So, percentile. In this case, the percentile is 31, so we're going to go 31 divided by 100. Pretty straightforward. We're going to times that by the total number of data in the sample. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With one extra one. So we're looking here at 16. We're going to get a number there. So come to the calculator. 31 divided by 100 equals, times that by 16, and that equals 4.96. Now, that's an interesting number, 4.96. And the temptation is going to be for you to round that off to the number 5 when we do round, and we're going to. But remember, when we're working backwards, which is what we're doing here, when we're finding the score given the percentile, instead of always rounding up like we do the other way, we are always going to round down. Always, regardless of the value of that decimal right in there. Even though it's a 0.96, we're rounding it down. So when we're finding the score, you must remember to always do that with your decimal. So in other words, we're going to be looking for the person who is in the 4th position. The answer is not 4. Okay, we're not looking for somebody who's 4 centimeters tall. That wouldn't make any sense at all, right? If the answer was just 4, then we'd be talking about someone who's 4 centimeters tall, because this is a list of heights. What we're really finding here is it's the 4th person. If you're in the 31st percentile, then you're 4th in this list. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's your 4th person. Your 4th person is 129 centimeters tall. That's your answer.